Welcome back to the blizzard of 2016. This is my balcony completely covered in snow. As I step out here, take a look and see what's going on in Mount Vernon, New York. There's still a blizzard going on, that's for sure. You pan around, see there's no pedestrians on the street. Got a few cars braving the weather. In New York City, they've completely shut down the city. They shut down buses and trains. There's a no travel ban in effect. The wind is pretty decent. As you can see, the flag across the way is steadily blowing from right to left. There's not much going on. Everything's pretty quiet, and again, the branches on the upper level are not accumulating enough snow. And I guess that's what keeps them from breaking too easily. Here's one snowplow, the only one that's in Mount Vernon. No salting and plowing. They can only afford one, and that's it. And the smart driver drives behind the plow. And that's how you roll. So, welcome to the winter wonderland of Westchester County, New York. Yeah, ain't much more to say than that. Peace.